We live in a area that gets a lot of hail and wind, even tornadoes. So a lot of people have their roofs replaced, and insurance is covering the vast majority of the roof, and the homeowners are responsible contractually for their deductible amount. And we're seeing a big trend where deductibles used to be standard 500 to 1,000 are now becoming 1% or 2% of the total policy. So if you have a $500,000 home and you have a 1% deductible, that's a $5,000 payment. If you have a 2% deductible, that's a $10,000 payment that you're responsible for that portion. So what is the feasibility of, I got hit with a hailstorm. I didn't have $10,000 or $5,000 sitting in my account to make this payment. Can you finance the deductible portion if insurance is covering your roof?
Absolutely, and that is the beauty of this solution, is that you can finance the deductibles, and again, it falls right into those two easy parameters at the point of need and at the point of sale with a soft credit check and a quick QR code from one of your sales professionals. $2,000 to $150,000 is eligible for your homeowners for deductible financing. So your $5,000, your $10,000, easy right there at the point of sale.
Let's say you still have a low deductible. You're one of the lucky ones. You only have a $1,000 deductible. But man, you have some expensive taste. And you want the Cadillac of roofs. You want to upgrade your roof. Could you also cover your deductible and let's say any potential upgrades that are not being covered by the carrier?
If it goes in it, on it, or around it, it can be financed. So if the deductible needs to be wrapped in there, if you're doing a supplement for an add or an upgrade, that can be added to it. It can all be financed now. It's so easy.
Financing can help our insurance customers. Financing can help our out-of-pocket customers. It's all about, at Rhoden Roofing, making a payment solution center that we can offer to our customers, no matter the situation, to make everything easy, one, and two, affordable. And that's the whole goal with the financing program at the Rhoden Roofing Payment Solution Center.